All right, hey you all. Hello, guys. Welcome to the Pretty Valleys. Okay, I done already introduced these products, so now I'm about to open them. I have not opened them at all. I did. Disclaimer. Disclaimer. Vegas is really, really hot, and it seemed like every time I left something in the car, it would like melt. So we just about to see. This is the powder, so it should not have melted. And this is the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. Then it says Powder Fixinite Supreme. Okay. This is the translucent powder, you guys. And this is in the color. This is one. And I got my translucent powder. The reason why I got my translucent powder lighter than like my foundation powder is because basically I put my motherfucking like translucent powder everywhere, but I tend to pack a lot here, or pack a lot here, or pack a lot here. Even down the bridge of my nose and my chin and my lip. And under my contour. I tend to put translucent powder everywhere on my face, basically. So, I kind of want to bring the light everywhere, even though they say you want to hide the light and take the light from these places and shine the light in these places, bitch. I use this all on my face. Ooh, we got to smell it. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited. This is the first brand that I literally like bought with. I mean, I bought every brand with my own money, but this is the brand that I bought that spoke to my spirit to buy. Ah. And don't talk about my excited face either. Okay. It got a nice little swivel on the swivel. You know. You know, when you put your shit in your bag, it's not gonna be like all over your bag. Because it got a nice tight case. Like a peanut butter jar or something. And it comes with the little cover. Make sure y'all keep y'all cover if y'all that type of girl and y'all like, girl, I don't want to waste my shit. Now wait. I'm literally about to cry. I'm about to cry. This motherfucking translucent case comes with not only one spot for you to put your brush. Y'all see that? That's sickening. Period. How do you get it out of here? I guess you gotta take the thing off. Look. You gotta take the thing off. And it's the O and the S. And it just come out. It's cute. And it got a tropical keeper. Okay, Patty. Okay, fish patty. Okay. Fish patty. And y'all, I'm not gonna take it all the way out because that'll just be the envious thing for y'all to see right now. But it's just a review for that one piece. So make sure y'all go get y'all trapper keepers. Okay, like a Pokemon boy. Baby! Shoot. That's cute. That's cute. If you think it's cute, if you out there you think it's cute, it's made in the U.S. So that means they provide jobs for these girls. I might need a job in one size. If you like that, Trapper Keeper Pokeball, baby, which is reminding me about it, which is red and white. Child, let me find out you was like a Comic-Con, Comic-Con cutest person. I don't know. We're gonna see. I got some more products to open, okay? Make sure y'all tune in. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all go to the retweet and y'all like turn me up and get me and Patrick Story together. Okay? Bye.